Why do so many prophecies circle the same strange number, 144,000, like a moth to a hidden flame? You find it in the book of Revelation, in Gnostic hymns, in obscure Kabbalistic tables. Different languages, different centuries, yet the same count keeps surfacing, as if it were a cosmic password. In the New Testament, the number appears as the sealed servants of God. 12 tribes multiplied by 12,000 each. That mathematics is deliberate. 12 is the number of wholeness. The zodiac, the months, the tribe of Israel, the apostles, and squaring it and multiplying it by 1,000 creates a figure of perfected completion, a universe folded into human form. Early Christian mystics read it less as a head count and more as a description of a consciousness capable of carrying the pattern of heaven on earth. Long before Revelation was written, Babylonian astronomer priests used a base 12 system to track great cycles of time. Kabbalists later mapped those same cycles into the Tree of Life, speaking of 144 pathways of divine light and the thousandfold expansion of a single spark. Islamic scholars who studied the letters of the Quran found parallel numerics in the abjad values of certain names of God. Even Tibetan texts describe gathering of perfected beings, numbering in multiples of 144, each holding a seed of the next world. In the hidden math is a deeper teaching about the human template. Medieval Hermeticists called it microcosm, a person who mirrors the structure of the cosmos. To be among the 144,000 was never simply to belong to a tribe. It meant that every cell of the body, every layer of the soul had been brought into harmony with the 12-fold architecture of creation. Alchemists linked it to magnum opus, when matter and spirit finally reconcile. Occult commentators note that 144 is also the square of 12 and the 12th Fibonacci number, a rhythm found in sunflower spirals, DNA, helices, and orbital ratios of the planets. To them, the prophecy was not a lottery, but a signal that a certain frequency of order would eventually emerge inside human evolution itself. So, when you hear that 144,000 will stand at the end, think less of a waiting list and more of a blueprint. A call to build the universe inside your own flesh until the mass of the stars and the math of the soul finally add up. The real question is not who will be counted, but whether your own pattern will resonate when the hidden equation completes.